Okay, hi everyone, my name is Shamiso and I'm going to show y'all quickly how to do the cover stitch. So right now, I just want y'all to know I have 3 needles in the front. They are already threaded. Make sure it's in there. Yes, they are already threaded. So what you want to do is make sure that before I say anything else, let's see the spoons. The first 3 spoons is thread and the last spoon is for the cover stitch. Okay, so, and right here I want to show y'all the settings. Okay, so you can see it's right here. It's at neutral, and for the triple stitch we want it on J. Okay, so I have it on J, and right now I'm gonna change my knife, turn my knife off. There's no need for me to have it on since we are doing the cover stitch. I'm turn it down, and what else? I disengage this needle right here, the spreader. Just turn down, and usually when I have to serge, let me place this up. Okay, gotta turn the thing. Yeah, if you're having a hard time, you gotta turn this. When I want to serge, this is down. When I want to serge, but because I'm not serging, this is gonna go up. Okay, and my spreader is down. My knife is off. And normally when I serge, I have this on end, so I'm gonna move this to the row, to the R. Okay, so everything's threaded. I wanna make sure everything is threaded. Everything, oh yes. And now I'm gonna replace this, right? I'm gonna replace this and change it. Okay, and it's gonna go nice. Make sure, okay, make sure this is down. It's still not like clicking. I want to make sure it's working. Okay. Okay, now it's clicking in. So make sure it clicks in. So everything is threaded. Okay, and I am ready to start to serge. Well, not to serge, to do the cover stitch. And the thing is, when you're doing the cover stitch, right? When you're doing the cover stitch, you want to place it underneath. Let me raise up the needle. You want to place it right underneath the fabric. And you press your foot down and you serge. If you just serge while I'll put in the fabric underneath, it's going to act up. Okay, so now let me put on the lights. So now I'm going to begin serging. And someone asked me, oh, what would happen, you know, when you finish serging And if you don't want to thread it, you don't want the thread to break, I find it helpful if you just place a piece of fabric right, and just leave it under there so that way you don't have to re-thread it or worry about it breaking. And then you just take your scissors and just cut. Okay, you just leave the fabric there. And I'll show y'all, this is the triple cover stitch. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna look at the back. See, this is what the back looks like. So that is how you do the triple cover stitch.